Hi, I'm Dennis Ren. I am a rising junior at Avenues of Road School, and this is my first milestone. So, the base project that I chose is the obstacle avoiding robot, and for my first milestone, I decided to do something a little bit simpler, just to get me started in the project. So, for my first milestone, I decided just to get my motors working and try to move it forward and backwards or just in any direction really. And so my car, it uses an Arduino Uno, a motor driver, and two DC gearbox motors. So it's powered by this power bank for the Arduino Uno and a six-pack battery for the motor driver and the DC motors. So to get the motors to actually move forward, I did a little bit of research and I found some code that allowed me to move it forward and back. So how I actually do that is there's two wires that are they're on each of the DC motors, and these take values then go to the motor driver and then to the Arduino Uno. And when you set them to high and low or low and high, you can get them to move in either a positive direction or a negative direction. So when I set it to high and low, it moves forward, and vice versa, it moves backwards. So the motor driver actually allows you to control the voltage or speed that the car moves at, but I haven't actually gone to that. I'll probably do that in my next milestone. Just for this milestone, I just got the motors to move forward and backwards. I actually tinkered with it a bit, and it started moving in a circle. So for this milestone was mainly the hard thing was the engineering of it all. I had to try to get the battery pack to fit in, so I added popsicle sticks, and there wasn't actually a tutorial or instructions on how to build the chassis that I got from Adafruit. So I had to just search up photos and try to just try to build it from photos, just seeing where all the parts fit. And in the beginning of when I first came to Blue Stamp, I only had a little bit experience with Arduinos and Arduino IDE and all that stuff. The only thing that I've done is just this little automatic fish feeder with just this one tiny servo. It was maybe 8 lines of code. It was pretty much nothing. And the code for this already uses 15, 20 lines of code. So yeah. So for my next milestone, I'll probably be trying to get the ultrasonic sensor to detect things and try to get the car to detect the objects and avoid them. So yeah, and try to finish my base project.